Tired of important announcements getting lost in the digital void? Today, we're diving into how to ping roles using Zapier, automating those crucial notifications and ensuring the right team members see what matters most. From your Zapier dashboard, click the Create Zap button to kick things off. Now, choose your trigger app. This is the application that initiates the ping. Connect your account and configure the trigger details. Next up, it's action time. Search for and select the application you want to ping the role in, such as Discord. You may be asked to choose an event, and for Discord, you would select Send Channel Message. Connect your account, and in the message text field, type out your message. Here's the key part to ping a role. You need to use the role's ID enclosed in less than at and greater than brackets. For example, less than at and 1,234,567,890 greater than. Remember to use the role ID. Not sure how to find the role ID in Discord? Go to your server settings, click on Roles, right-click the role you want to ping, and select Copy ID. Paste that ID into your Zapier message, ensuring it's correctly formatted within the brackets. Next, select which channel you want the message to post to and test your Zap. Once you're satisfied with the test, hit that Publish Zap button. And just like that, you've automated role pings with Zapier.